Hello, my name is Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, my friends. This is Teacher Mika, my friends. And today we want to learn about future continuous and future perfect. Okay, let's begin. Let's read these examples, my friends. Can you see the difference? In 2 years' time, I will write my novel. In 3 years' time, I will be writing my novel. In 4 years' time, I will have written my novel. Do you see? Can you notice the difference, my friends, between or among these three examples? Let's see. Okay, let's analyze them. Okay. Look, in 2 years' times, I will write my novel. That means that you have that today, that now, you have the idea to do something in the future. It's an idea, or it's a plan that you haven't taken any action to achieve it. But, but today you got the idea, okay, to do something. In 3 years' times, I will be writing my novel. Here, my friends, in the future, you will be doing an activity, okay, in the future. You are in the middle of doing the activity. In 4 years' times, I will have written my novel. It means that the action in the future is already finished, okay? You have a specific time to finish the action, okay? Notice, my friends, that here, my friends, will have written, okay? You have will and present perfect, okay? That is for a finished action in the future. And the previous, my friend, you have will, okay? You have verb to be, and you have the verb in ing. That is to show that it's an action in progress, okay? Future continuous form. Will be plus verb plus ing. Use to say that an action will be in progress at a certain time in the future. For example, this time tomorrow I'll be lying on the beach in the sun. Don't phone me between 7 and 8, as we'll all be having dinner then. What will you be doing tomorrow at 12? Polite, okay? So remember the grammar, my friends, very important. Will plus be plus verb plus ing, okay? And this structure used to mean an action or an activity in progress at a specific or a certain time in the future. The future continuous can also be used as an alternative to the present continuous to talk about things which are already planned or decided. For example, I'll be going to the gym tomorrow afternoon. Obviously, my friends, here you can also say, I'm going to the gym tomorrow afternoon, but if it is a plan or a decision, okay, you can always say, I'll be going to the gym tomorrow afternoon. Here, for some exercises, okay, can you complete these sentences using the verbs in brackets? This time tomorrow, I'll, okay, study, work, walk. At 9 p.m. next Saturday, I'll cook, have, drive. This time next week, I'll work, ski, travel. Or at midnight next New Year's Eve, I'll dance, eat, drink, okay? Remember, you have to complete them with future continuous, okay? Future perfect. Look at the form. Will plus have plus past participle. To say that something will be finished before a particular time in the future. For example, typical in time expressions used, for example, in 3 weeks, 2 years, 10 hours time, by Saturday, by next year, by the time you arrive. For example, by the time you arrive, I will have finished my homework. Or by next year, I will have gotten a better job. Or by Saturday, we will have painted all the house. Remember, okay, look at the structure, will plus have plus past participle. And this is used to say, okay, that something will be finished before a particular time in the future. For example, by this time next month, I will have done all the work. That is, the work will be finished next month at the latest, okay? In 5 years' time, I will have had 2 children. By the time we get to the cinema, the film will have started. Okay, here, my friends, okay, you have some activities, okay, some exercises, okay? For example, I am writing a book. By this time next month, I will have written the book. John is cleaning the house. By the time his parents arrive, John will have cleaned the house. My mother is making dinner. By the time the guests arrive, my mother will have already made dinner. We are bringing our stuff to our new apartment. By this time tomorrow, we will have brought all our stuff to our new apartment. Okay. Very good, my friends. So that was all for today. Okay, if you have a question, please ask me there on Yammer or on WhatsApp. Thank you very much, my friends. See you in the class. Thank you.